Hi guys, my name is Denise Costa. I'm the designer for Mia Journey. I decided to do this video because I get a lot of questions in regards how to put, the look together, chains with earrings and rings and everything. So here's a quick idea. I'm wearing something, very summery. I would say like a Sunday, kind of a thing. So here goes a Sunday look for you. I hope you like it. So first we're gonna start with the chains. The layers are very in right now. So this is the longest one I'm gonna wear. I hope you can see it well. It's a pave heart necklace. So I'm gonna adjust it like in a longer version. Okay. So it will be sitting like right there. Then I'm gonna come with something in between. Oh, let me show you first. So this is the Cartier Link, one of our best sellers right now. This is a must-have in your closet. So I'm gonna put this one in the regular size. This is a size 18 inches in the length. So it will be like right there. Then I'm gonna put another one. This is another Link, new, very popular right now in the store. Everybody's doing very well with it. So this one, I'm gonna leave it like right there. So I have a very thin neck, so I'm gonna put it a little bit closer. Let me show you. Okay, a little bit shorter like that for now. So we have these. So these will be the layers, right? Then going for the earrings. I have two holes. So the smaller one, I'm gonna put this. It's this one right here. It's a very tiny heart. I hope you guys can see it. So I'm gonna put it right here. I have long nails, so it's a little bit hard. Okay, great. Same one in the other side. Okay. Okay. Then going for the first one. It's an enamel heart. I don't know if you can see it. So this is very popular. It comes in several different colors. I'm wearing here the white version. So it's something like that. I'm gonna put it right here on this side. Okay. Then we have these ear cuffs. They are new. It's like tiny balls like that. I'm just gonna wear one over here. Sometimes I put three together, so but I have chains, I have all of this going on, so I think it's cute. For now, that's what we have. Okay, so now we're going for the rings. I have the heart one here that I'm gonna put on this hand, like that. Then I have enamel. Oops, I have enamel rings. We have a lot of colors too in the store. So here, my dress has green, pink, and white. So I decided to put green, pink, and white to match it. Matching. I'm gonna put it right there. So this is my look for the rings. Now I need something fell off. Watch. Now, this is super in. It's a must. You should have these. The beads bracelet. They're sold one by one. So here are the smallest. Well, no, I have a smaller version in the store. So we have these, and I have the bigger version, right? So it's cute to mix them together. It's stretchy, so you just put it in, and you'll be like that. What do you guys think? Do you like the idea? I mean, this is just an idea. You can do however you want. But if it's a Sunday, you put some high heels, nice hair, makeup, and you're ready to go. I hope you guys like it.